This is step by step how to use phone number extractor. Go to this page and click phone number extractor. Okay. And it's going to first ask you to choose your business industry. Here, you have to choose your business industry. Let's say you are targeting restaurant and food companies. Go ahead and select it here and click start. And stay on this page because it's going to load and give us the leads. Now it's extracting us the leads. Is extracting now. Okay, here we go. You can see we have find first 1000 lead. Okay, to view this email, phone number, company phone number, all you have to do is click this protection mode here, turn it off. Okay, turn off protection mode. So that will now show you around. Yes, after you turn off the protection mode, you can now see the person full name here, the full name of the person email, phone numbers, and then you can click DM to DM single the person only. If you want to see the person LinkedIn account, you can click here. You can click this, and it's going to take you to the person LinkedIn account. Okay, you can see. And to make sure that they are in food industry, you can see here McDonald. Okay, and he's a CEO of the company. Okay, so you can see it. I mean, he's a business owner of operation. You can see owner operator. So is into restaurant business, food business. Okay. Then let's go back to our page, to our this. The same person, last person here is James Oliver. You can also go ahead and check his profile on LinkedIn. If you click his profile on LinkedIn, you can see him here. He's a general manager. Okay, he's a general manager. You can see it here. So okay, you can go ahead and head if you want. If you have time, you can go study their connections. Well, let's go back to our lead here. So on this lead page here, you have a lot of things. Okay, you have a lot on this page. You have lead location, the location of the lead. You have the lead title here. You can see the titles. Assistant manager, region leader, food and beverage. You can see vice president. Then here you can see the company size. Okay, company size 10,000, 10,000, 10 to 19. This is employees. Then here you see the company phone number. You can see company location. There's a lot of things here. Okay, you can see company revenue here. Then you can go on and on all these columns. This give you full details of these people. So if you want to download this application, this if you want to download these leads, all you have to do is click select all 1000. So how this one application work is after you extract the first 1000 and download it, the extractor will continue to get you another 1000. Is only 1000 per search. So every time you search is going to get you 1000. And if you download those leads, it's going to find you another 1000. So let's say I click download. I have to click download here. So after you click download, it's going to ask you which column do you want. You can click select all here or uncheck all so that you can be able to select the columns you like. Okay, you can do that. You can see I will check all the columns. Then if you want to go, I want to go by name, first name, that is a full name. Then I'm going to go by email. I'm going to select email and I'm going to select phone, and then I'm going to select the company, the URL. This is a LinkedIn profile. That's a LinkedIn URL. The person, their LinkedIn link. Then I can go also and find. I'm going to do this lead title. Uh-huh. You can select, just check the ones that is okay for you and leave the rest. Okay, you can just go on, and all you have to do is click download here. Just click this download button. Now our lead is downloading, and you can see where the lead started here. So after the download completes, the extractor is going to keep extracting. You can see it's now searching again. We have downloaded our first 1000. It's now searching. Okay, and you can see here, you can see this is another 1000. These people also in the same industry we search. This food, restaurant and food services. You can see it's searching here. It's searching for the same restaurant, food restaurant. It's going to find us new leads every time it search. Okay, every time we download, it's going to find us new leads. Okay, you can see here, it's a find us these people. Just click turn off protection mode so that you can see the email, phone number, and more. Reason why we lock the protection mode is to save the data, and also to protect our content. Okay, you can see have turned the protection mode on, so you can see the full details. I can just turn it off. Okay, by clicking this view all data. That is how you can turn it off to protection mode back. Okay, so when you download this 1000, just stay on the page. The extractor is going to continue to find you another 1000 emails. Okay, so that is how this work. This is how the extractor work. Okay, and let's say that you want to send this people message. Then I'm going to turn on professional move. Hold on, guys. Turn on the protection mode. Sorry, guys. Is my alarm. So you can see our page open again. Then I can go ahead. If I want to send this people message, I can go select all here. If let's say, for an example, I want to send this 1000 people message on this page without leaving the page. So all I have to do is just click this campaign 1000. Okay, we're going to send 1000 people message. Okay, so that is what we're going to do right now. Just click on it, click on this. Then our compose message composer is going to pop up with any default message you save. Okay, you can write your message, you can write your subject line. Okay, you can add your reply to, you can test your message, you can test this sender to see if your message is coming to spam or inbox by clicking test here. Click test. Okay, test it. You can see it's loading already. Then after you click test, then you can also go ahead, and this here is limit. You can set limit how many. You can see our text message have sent out here. So it's going to ask you how many do you want to send per minute. This one here is set in here. I'm sorry, guys. Let me click it back, please. I'm sorry. I mistakenly closed the campaign model. Okay. Before we check the text message, you can click set limit here. This page here. This page you can increase limit, delay. This is delay to make sure the message is sending slowly to avoid being a spammer or spamming people. So 5 seconds each message you're going to send every 5 seconds. One message should send out. Then you can save this here. You can this click save limit. Then you can go ahead and click send campaign. When you click send campaign here, so so our page is loading the campaign, the 1000 already on the back end. So you can see it's going to start sending these people message one after another here. That is it, guys. We have started sending these people message one by one. You can see that You can see that. So because this is a demo message, I'm still going to click pause and let me just go and check our inbox because I sent myself message. I sent myself test message. Mhm. Okay, now it's come here. You can see it here. This is my test message, and the top here you can see is test. Okay, it's come inbox. This is it, the top one here, and you can see that my link I added on my message. Guys, let's go back. I'm going to cut this. Okay, I'm going to cut it. I'm going to stop it sending because um we have sent 11 people message. The message is going to be dropping one after another. So see you in next video. In next video, I'm going to show you how to use Find Client, this particular page here. Find Client. So it's also lead finder and it's also message email sender together. So let me click pause. Then I have paused this pause. Then click cancel. I can resume. I can cancel. So I'm going to click cancel. Yes, cancel. So see you in another video, please.